Good afternoon, Diane Neetling for Imsyser Health, and we have a very unique His&Hers skincare range. And when I say unique, I like to say that we focus a lot on the natural aspect, which is pretty much core to our mission statement for Imsyser, but we also focus a lot on the inside out approach. So we do have a very unique serum gel. It's the day and night booster gel. It's like a serum gel. You can see that's our branding, and the key focus is not just having aloe, which aloe is very well known for the fact that it is super rich in its moisturizing ability, but also to keep the pathogens under control. And then we have in that our probiotic, which is included in our day and night booster gel. We have hyaluronic acid, which clearly is very important in the skincare industry, plumping up the skin and just bringing that zing to the skin, and then to boost and give it extra feeding and nutritional values, we have included Moringa Oil. So classically, the teenagers might not always want or need a super rich serum gel, but in this case, for the older skin, the more sensitive skin, we have the Moringa, which does assist in keeping the skin extra moist and boosting it. And Moringa is, as it is, very well known for its super antioxidant effects, both internally and on the skincare range. I hope you enjoy our product. That is the His&Hers Day and Night Booster Gel by Imsyser. Diane Neetling speaking for Imsyser. Thank you.